In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a background picture to your Google Sites. Whether you're looking to customize your website to reflect your personality or to enhance the aesthetic appeal for your business site, adding a background image is a great way to achieve a polished and professional look. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to have a background image ready that you would like to use. This could be a photograph, a graphic, or any image that fits the theme of your site. Ensure the image is high quality and consider the resolution, especially if your site is going to be viewed on different devices. Alright, once your image is ready, head over to your Google Sites editor. This is where you have all the tools you need to modify and personalize your site. Now look at the panel on the right side of your screen. This is where you can access various functions and features. Keep this in mind as it will be your go-to control center for making adjustments. You're going to start by adding an image to the desired section of your site. Click on the image button in the panel. This will open up a menu allowing you to insert an image. This is the first step towards adding your background picture. If at this stage you don't see the button you're looking for, try expanding the window or double checking if you're in the right section, as sometimes tools may be hidden in tighter window views. Once you've clicked image, the next step is to upload your chosen picture. Click on upload from the options presented. Your computer's file explorer will open up, giving you the opportunity to select the image file. Navigate through your folders to locate the image you want to set as your background. This is where having the file organized on your desktop or in a specific folder can save time. After selecting your image, confirm the upload. Your image will then be added to your site. The adjustment may take a few moments, so be patient. Once the image appears, take a moment to view it within the context of your site. You might need to resize or reposition it to ensure it looks exactly how you envisioned. Use the drag and drop feature to move the image and utilize the built-in tools to adjust it within the space provided. Now you have successfully added a background image to your Google Sites. This simple yet effective customization can significantly alter the look and feel of your entire site, making it more engaging for your audience. Remember, this customization can always be revisited and changed whenever you feel like refreshing your site's appearance. That's all for today, folks. Thanks for joining me and happy designing.